Welcome to Yajentio Training Academy. Yajentio Training Academy is launching all IT courses with AI tools starting from January 5th, 2026. We provide job placement assistance, industry-recognized certification, and training from faculty with over 10 years of experience. Interested candidates are requested to contact us for more details. Build your IT career with Yajentio Training Academy. All IT courses with AI tools start from January 5th, 2026. Get trained by 10 years experienced faculty, earn certification, and receive dedicated job placement support. Interested candidates, contact us today. All IT and AI courses provide certification, job placement 100%. We will support until you get a job. Interested candidates, contact us now. Thank you all.